Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you know, this is Raw Coders 5, and today I'll be taking you through how to include a JavaScript code to an interactive to-do list. So these are the codes, and let's get into your JavaScript. Let's get into it. So this is the interactive part of the JavaScript CSS code. As you can see, nothing happens now, no function, nothing is happening. You type in this, click add task, nothing is happening. So our job here is to add the JavaScript to it. So let's go to the JavaScript tag here. Let me close this. Okay. Alright. So let's get into it. So first we need to, there's the HTML part of it. As you can see, we have all these are the IDs. We need to include all the IDs to the JavaScript for the functions to perform. Okay. So first, so what I do, const then to do input. Okay. It's equal to document.get this thing, so it's already there. Okay. Then next is const add button, which is BT, and that is how I did it over there. Okay. Then I go const to-do list, yeah. And again, it's already here. So again, I go const task or total task equal to, so again it's already here. So the last one is const completed task. For it to increment, we need to select, we need to make that also constant. So all the IDs is set. Alright, so let's come to the update task statistics. That is going to increase the total and the completed, the statistics in the so let's get into it. So function stats. Okay. So there's a function I'm going to type in it. So we're calling const all task. We make it a constant. All task is equal to document dot query selector. So let me just do this and let's do it real quick. Okay. Let's change this to parenthesis. Okay. Then quote, double quotes, and we're calling the class dot task to do list item. Sorry. Alright. Oh, I forgot the equal to. Pardon me. Equal to. Okay. There you go. Go to const. Right. Okay. The total task and the total task. Okay. So content, test content, change it to all task, but the length of it. Okay. So task, right? Total curly brackets, Okay, so we need to bring the backticks for it to function. Okay, draw this. Okay, it's supposed to be inside it. Go on. Okay, that's still. Okay, this needs to be inside. There you go. Okay, so our first function is done. Let's go to the second task. So let me take this right. So let's go to the next one. So now we create. So let's check it out. Nothing works. Okay. No worries there. Let's continue. So now we create a new task. Okay. So this is what we do. We create a function. Then create task. Of course, task. Then add task to it. Add task. Oh, sorry. Small. Alright. Let's get into it. So task. Okay. Task. We open this. We say const. Small letters. Let's go const. Yeah. Text. Okay. Trim. So now we're gonna trim the task. Okay. Because I've already typed all this code before, that is why you keep seeing the AI trying to provide the original codes. So for the video to go faster, let's do that. Alright. Let's skip. So let's come here. Okay. Let's create a list item. Right. Okay. So we const the list item is what. So the li, which is list. We call it like we create an element for it. Alright, that's it. Class names category. Alright, tab. So let's get into it. Okay. Alright. So we return. So we create a task, task test. Let's check it out. Let's go through this. So we're going to select the span element. So let's go to the HTML side. So that is why you see here, we're going to create an element for the span. So span.test. Content is equal to that. Let's go. Then I'll append this. Alright, so span.class name. Okay. So sorry here. And span context. Let's change this to be text. That's it. Okay. Let's go down. Now let's complete the button. Right? The complete button. What to do in such a way when it clicks on the text, it's going to strike a line through it. So tab, everything is here. Click. Do that click. And go. So let's make that delete button. Right? Let's do the delete button. Alright guys. Okay. Let's get into it. So the delete button, right? that's it. So we've told it to to create a delete button over there. When you click, it's going to delete the task, and it's going to increment in it, and it's going to reduce that. So let's check it out. Okay, still nothing is working because you haven't created anything for the add task. So let's go to append elements. So we have the child here. Okay, append child. Alright, that's everything. Value update. We're going to update the append element. Going to update that. Let's get into the button. So the button, you say add every star. Alright. Okay, then. Okay, let's go back. Let me see. So do input dot element is okay, it's already here. Oh, come on. Okay, tab. Add to fresh. To add. So let's type something like reading. Then add. So there's it, guys. As you can see, it has been added. We have the delete button here. We delete. Okay, let's say okay, so let's say writing. Writing. Okay, we add a task, and as you can see the delete button here, it needs to be X. The delete is not going there. So let's get into the delete side. So here you need to clear this and bring a capital X, to represent the delete button. We save. Okay, so let's say reading. So writing. Okay, writing. Yes, writing is add. As you can see, very nice button here. We can strike this, and you can see completely. So guys, that's everything. That's everything you need to know. Let's type anything add. The increment over there already completes. That's everything, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. That's everything you need to know about it, the JavaScript, adding it into an interactive to-do list. And as you can see,